In the previous example, we did 4 spot drilling holes. Now we're going to do deep drilling holes. We're going to do 4 of them. And here we have our drilling deep hole at one window. And it's much like all the other windows. We're going to, and here we have in the specification tree, we have the drilling deep hole .1. From the drop-down menu, we're not going to create a new pattern. We're going to use the machining pattern that we used for the spot drilling. So it automatically detects the 4 holes that we already specified in the spot drilling. So here we want to change the extension to through. So we want to go all the way through. And we want to select the bottom sensitive icon, and this will correspond to the bottom surface of the housing 1. So we select that, and notice it turns green. Now we want to double click on the diameter and change it to 0.38 inches. Now if we go to our tool, notice here we have different tools, and we can rename our tool. And I'm going to rename mine. And as we build up our tools, we can pick from the list. Now we'll double click on the sensitive icon here and change the body diameter 0.38 inches. And then we can hit the more button and then go up to the nominal diameter and change it to 0.38 inches. And then we'll change the tab and go to our feeds and speeds tab, and we'll go to approach, and we want that to be 20 inches per minute. Unselect the automatic compute from tooling feeds and speeds button, and then the plunge we want to be 40 inches per minute and the machining 20 inches per minute. Here we just set up our macros like we did with the spot drilling. We have an approach, and we'll add a feed rate of retract or a rapid speed, and a feed rate here for rapid on the retract. And then we can hit the replay button just to get a feel for what it looks like. Rewind it and play it. And notice there at the bottom the feed rate's changing from 20 inches per minute to rapid as it goes to approach and retract mode. And notice our tool is incrementally going at different depths and then cleaning itself out. And we can go ahead and change those parameters. So we go to the strategy tab. We can change different parameters here. I'm going to change the breakthrough to be 0.5 inches and the max depth of the cut to be 0.5 inches and the retract offset to be 0.03 inches and the decrement rate and the decrement limit to 0.1. That way it should go a little further and go a little faster. And it did go a lot faster there. select the movie icon. Notice that I'll replay it here.